Howdy chaps, Richard Evans here from Windows Phone Central, and today we're going to be looking at an upcoming app update which is on its way for BBC News Mobile, which is an app by Lawrence Gripper, and it's a highly rated app, both by ourselves at Windows Phone Central and of course consumers on the Windows Phone Store / Marketplace itself. So what is new in BBC News Mobile version 4? Well, in the beta that we've seen so far, there's some things that are missing, but the main new features are that it's completely rewritten from the ground up. So everything you see here is absolutely brand new code, and as we believe, according to the blog post that's detailing the what's new in this update, the old code in the current version, which is available on the store, which you should have installed on your phone, is about 2 years old. So this new code is going to be pretty good when you run it, and as you can see, it is much faster than the current version on this store. Pages load instantly, images get pulled down depending on how quick your current connection is, but overall it is very, very quick and nimble. And the other big thing that's included in this version is of course the resizable tiles, which you'd expect in any Windows Phone 8 app at the moment, so that that will then display the current story, trending stories from the app in the large tile view, which you can then resize, shrink down depending on how you want to customize your home screen. So going back into the app itself, listing the other new features is of course the much improved performance. You've got the new code, you've got the tile support, you've got lock screen support, which we'll quickly show now into the settings. Unfortunately, one of the things that are missing is when you first launch the app, there's no welcome or tutorial introduction for the user, so you have to set everything yourself. There's no sort of helpful pop-up sort of alerting you to what is new and how you can set everything up quickly, which we believe will be coming in the app update before it's released. We're hoping anyway. So with the lock screen settings itself, you can have the latest picture being pulled down to your phone on a daily basis from the pictures blog, which you can then configure as yourself how you want that set up. So as you can see, when you unlock the phone, you then have that picture display. Go back into the app. So that's the lock screen. Of course, you have the live tile and background updates. So as you can see, it is vaguely, well, it's pretty much the same as the current app itself. The new features really being back-end, as well as taking advantage of the few of the consumer-based functionality aspects in Windows Phone 8 itself, which is a very welcomed addition to the overall experience that is pretty impressive thus far that Lawrence has done with the BBC News mobile app itself. So if you don't already use the app, we do recommend you download the current version on the marketplace if you're interested in BBC News, or you follow the headlines on your desktop PC or other smartphone or tablet device. It's well worth checking out. So of course, what's missing in this app? Well, we don't have offline reading at the moment, and if you're familiar with using the app itself, you'd notice that there's no app bar when reading the articles, so of course you don't have the sharing functionality as well as the next story, previous story, which we have in the current version. I think I have that open. Yeah, there we go. So you don't have the bar there, which should, again, with the helpful tutorial introduction to the user, it should be included in the final build before release. And that is a quick look at the latest version, which is a very nice update, and which we're sure you're all going to enjoy if you're currently using BBC News Mobile for your Windows Phone device. So again, you can read up more information on Windows Phone Central. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.